me high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So I wanted to take a minute to provide a little bit of commentary on this situation, because as you can see, I can't see anything out of the front windshield. And at the moment, when I was sitting in the driver's seat, as far as I knew, the car was about to cross over the double yellow into the other lane, and I couldn't even see if there was another car coming, let alone if it was in the right spot. When I look at the actual video, I can see that the car was actually in the perfect place, and it was doing everything correctly. And not only that, the cars and the lines, the intersection, everything was still visualizing on the screen perfectly, which is absolutely incredible given the fact that I couldn't even see out of the windshield.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me